Oh my god, it's perfect, bro. We just hit our 300 mark. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna remove liquidity. What you want to do is go back to the website, click on the minus button, remove liquidity 100%. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, come on, it's loading. Come on, come on, come on. And then boom, we just made. I made over $956,000 last month, and it's all sitting right here in my Phantom wallet. Solana meme coins made it happen, and I'll show you how I did it one step at a time. Meme coins completely changed my life, and not in the way that you think. You guys might think, oh yeah, I trade these coins. No, I do the opposite. I create these coins, and it has never been easier for people like you and me to create them. What we do is create these meme coins, wait for buyers, and then remove the liquidity of the coin. As simple as that. Guys, it's not rocket science. Anyone could do it. Even my dog could do it. I'm telling you guys, it's simple. Now, if we go over to Dex Screener, we can see that all of these old coins in my watch list have all gone down. Now, this just goes to show that most of these coins will hit zero, and that's 99.9% of them. For example, this one, look, it hit 990k in market cap and then just went all the way down. So this is why creating them will be the most lucrative for you guys. So if we go over to coinlabs.fun, this website will allow you guys to create your very own meme coins. And the thing that is beautiful about this website is that it is fully repeatable, and you can create your coins anytime you want until you are rich. And I'm telling you guys, once you hit that one juicy coin, that one juicy coin that hits maybe what, 100k market cap, that is easy to do. And once you get it, your life will be completely changed. I'm telling you guys, your life will be completely changed. You will be able to buy things that you can never even imagine, all by creating a coin on coinlabs.fun. Now, stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. So the reason why you guys are going to create your coins on coinlabs.fun is for a couple of reasons. First, it's the best website, as I've said before, on YouTube. Secondly, it requires no coding, so you don't have to know anything about coding. Now, the third thing, which is probably the most important, is that when you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, is put straight to the graduated category, so on the Raydium Dex. Now, what this means for you, you'll be getting way more buys, way more attention, way more eyeballs and all that, because your coin is here. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coins on Pump.Fun is because these coins, first of all, your coin gets dumped into an ocean of other bullshit ass coins that don't even get to see the light of day. Second, your coin needs to hit $90,000 in market cap to complete the bonding curve. And what the bonding curve is basically when the liquidity pool switches from Pump.Fun to Raydium. Now, we don't have time for that. We want fast coins that will pick up traction in seconds. This is why Coinlabs is the best. Now, my favorite way to make a shit ton of money is on the copy trending coins tab. What this tab is the website going through thousands of coins on BullX, on Pump.Fun, finding the coins that are proven concepts and are proven to making you money. Now, the three strategies I use to make shit tons of profits are the following. First one, when you refresh the list, your coin should have a last buy under 15 seconds ago. What this means is that your coin has enough volatility, enough buyers, enough attention. Now, the second strategy is find a coin with a market cap of over $30,000. Now, what this assures is that we have enough people buying that coin. Now, my final golden rule is that your narrative has to be relevant, bro. You can't just take a random ass fucking coin with no meaning and just create a coin. So find a coin with a narrative that is up to date, that is relevant, and you should be good. And the final thing you guys have to do is just create that coin with one click. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyan from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only two. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last two recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now, we're gonna create a coin on this one. I like it. A good market cap, a good last bot, everything is good. So we're gonna proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, all we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet. So we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now, if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us. I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit. Here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all of that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.